A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple, apple, apple. Goal, goal, yummy apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Hello, say hello. This is the way we say hello. It's Daddy Care for Bingo.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
I'm an elephant so huge and strong I could scare any creature away.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fins and tails.
G for goat.
G for goat.
Isn't the baby goat naughty? Baby goat, yes, mama. Change your diaper, no, mama.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I'm the loyal and magnificent.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream anytime I can. Oh, I like ice cream. Here comes the ice cream man.
J for juice.
J for juice.
Red dragon fruit, strawberries, mangoes, blueberries, and some grapes too. Na 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 na. Rainbow juice is ready now.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite, fly a kite. I want to fly a kite up into the sky.
L for lion.
L for lion.
I am the jungle king, the most majestic thing. I am the ferocious mighty line of cats, I am a kin.
M for moon.
M for moon.
N for nest.
N for rat.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Round and yummy orange. Filled with pulp, sweet and sour.
P for penguin.
P for penguin.
Four baby penguins went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother penguin said wank, 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 but only 3 baby penguins came back.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
I dream to be a queen, to own bucks that are well preened. Every soldier would then be at my command. I would lead them with much pride.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
We saw a rabbit hopping by, frightened as could be.
S for sun.
S for sun.
I am a star and sun is my name. Center of the solar system is what I claim.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Titus the tiger sing.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little choo-choo wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
V for van.
V for van.
Van, van, van. Van is my name. I'm like a bus on track, but not quite the same. I get
W for watch.
W for watch. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse went up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse went down.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
I'm a zebra known for my stripes. By them I'm uniquely identified. They are my signature in black and white against the green grass.